Hi, it's JoElla Milan, and boy, do I have a tip for you. I'm so excited to talk to you about the Osmosis concealers. They've been out for a little while now, but they have 10 beautiful shades that pretty much complement any skin tone. You know, each one can go either way, maybe 3 to 5 shades, a little lighter, a little darker. They blend in so well, and they have beautiful coverage, and they're so hydrating on the skin. So I've really enjoyed them. But you know, since these have come out, I haven't been using any makeup. I just use this, and I thought I'd show you what I've been doing. And I've been getting so many compliments on my skin when I wear them. I think, why bother wearing makeup? So let me show you here what we're doing. First we'll start out, I use Porcelain, for, you know, which works for me, which is a lighter shade. I use the Porcelain under my eyes. You know, you just put a little bit on, and you can just dab it in. I usually put a little bit of everything on and then just dab it in, but just dab it into under the eyes, you know, for a little bit lighter there. And then I use the buff on the rest of my face. And again, you just dab a little bit on the face and blend it in. And it's just, and it's you know, the more you use, the more color that you get on your face. But it's just so pretty. I love it. And it just gives you that beautiful, hydrated look. So just, you know, dab it on and rub it in. And if you're going somewhere and you want to add a little bit more color, maybe add a tinted sunscreen to it. Or for me, I just put on my Osmosis blush, just a little bit of that. And it just gives you a gorgeous look. I just love it. Can't tell you how great this is. And also, the Osmosis translucent powder is another thing. You know, if I'm going somewhere and I want to look a little more finished, just put a little bit of that on. You know, in this area, if you want to put it on the whole face, you can, but I usually just dab a little bit under here. It more or less sets it, and it just gives you that, you know, smooth look to it. So it's so easy. And I just can't say enough about it. You know, it just gives your skin this beautiful look. And so use a little bit lighter shade under here, and then just maybe another tone or so darker on the rest of your skin, and just apply it, you know, dab it in, and that's it. So if you have any questions, call me on my toll-free number, and you can also send me an email, and I'm so happy to talk to you. But this is one of my Osmosis products that I just love, love, love. It's just been so great. And again, love how it looks. So I'm looking forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye.